Here's a quick video about how to get in there and look at the materials inside of fog. It's called Noir Smoke, and it's in the dance fog. And normally what I do is I put more than one of these models in here. And what this really is, if you look at it, so I've got it selected and looking at properties, it's kind of talk about what it is. It's a this is a multi-mesh model that's animated. So if you look at it here, it's made up of a whole bunch of meshes. So we'll go look here. It's made up of mesh 2, mesh 3, mesh 4, mesh 5, up to 50 of them. There's 50 meshes in here. All of them are scriptable, and they're all, it's set the initial visibility to yes. But if you go look at here, they're all animated. So there's an animation that plays those 50 meshes, and that's what moves the fog and makes it look like it's moving. Now this all came from Tiki, this original model. So if we try to go create something to replace it, we'd have to make some kind of model that had 50 panes, billboards, circles, whatever. I believe it's circles. I don't know why I can't see the actual meshes here. That kind of is weird, but I don't know if it's here where the meshes are turned off. No. Anyway, so if I look at the smoke, the meshes are there. This is Tiki script that came in here, and that basically, starts the animation. It's just a simple animation screen one that he did, and we could replace it with our own simple animation. But that's fog on, fog off command that takes that. I also hide it with fog on, fog off. This script is the animation script, basically, which could be replaced with my animation script if we wanted to, or just the simple script. But fog on starts the animation. This fog on and fog off hides the fog. So when I say fog off, what it really does is it just hides all the meshes here. Let's see what we've got here. This is, so if I want to change the materials, you just open up here and you open up materials. You right click on it, say materials, and there's every one of the materials. And you can see it's a billboard material, and these are all the same. And basically you can put in the emissive mask and the emissive map and the mask. I don't have his original stuff, so I mean you'd have to play with that in order to get a feel for it. I've gone and put in different materials and played with them, so it can be done. I tried a Perlin one that I had and made it. I have two kinds of this. I have one that's a little bit thicker than the other, but you'll do it here, and if you do it for one of them, you got to do it for all 50. So change the materials. So that's how you change them. Good luck.